Topic: color wheel. Divide a circle of radius 7.5 centimeter into 12 equal parts. Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw a sketch of color wheel. We want 24 parts, so take size in your rounder 7.5 centimeter. Center O. Draw a circle. Second, on circumference point, take on circumference point A, iron and take point on A, mark on circumference. Second arc, give the name B. Arc A, B bisect more than half size, take in your rounder. Draw first arc, iron and take point on B. Second arc, two arc intersecting here, we get new point, point P. Point P and O join. We get new point O1. Repeat again. Iron and take point on A1. More than half size. Draw first arc, iron and take point on O1. Second arc, we get new point intersecting to arc and O join point S. Point S, I'm going to show bold line, joint O A line, take size AS, take size in your rounder AS, iron and take point on A, mark on circumference. Same size, do not change your size. Okay, all points joined with center point O.